Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I have this Burg Wachter padlock. It was made in Germany. It's 50 millimeter. There's a QA. Not too bad, right? Works pretty good. It's locked. Can you hear? It's locked. I don't have a key for it. It's one of the locks that my buddy Emmett sent me from Ireland. Thanks, Emmett. I'm going to use bottom of the QA tension, I think. See how that goes. And then Peterson on top. See if we can get this sucker picked open. I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. I haven't made a video in a while. I've been really busy studying for a test I'm going to take in about a week. I actually should be studying right now. But I hadn't made a video in a while. I think Burg Wachter, Ruco's, Abus, and they're my favorite locks. Some of my favorite locks to pick. Americans are my favorite too. I like all the spools and barrel pins and a lot of fun. There you go. And that took long, probably because I'm trying to work around the camera. But it's open. Woohoo! Alright guys, listen, thanks for watching, man. Happy holidays, okay? Later.